an avalanche.
We're gonna die!
Whoa, boy. Oh, fuck. Ready? Run. Whoa.
There's plenty more where that came from anyway. It's all coming down still.
I can't even see it. I want to be able to see it. Run up over there, I'll be closer.
Well, I can see it now. Oh yeah.
That's what I call an avalanche.
It's hard to, wow. It's too big to fit in my shot.
That's cool.
That's pretty awesome.
I'm so happy that happened. That's the coolest thing ever.
Hey, you still want to ski that?
Some poor.
Man, still want to ski? Ski that?
Just once, baby.
Maybe just from a jump. Jump. Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that. No, I don't need to see one ever again. Because I've seen it all.
Oh yeah, look, the snow is slowly coming from like lower and lower parts of the mountain.